Welcome everyone. I am before you to present some special tips to pronounce the words with silent letters without any difficulty. In fact, some letters bear some rules to make easy the readers to pronounce. So today I am going to discuss the rules for some of those letters so that the readers have a command over the pronunciation except some exceptions, because most of grammatical items have some exceptions. At first, I will discuss for the letter A. Letter A becomes silent when it comes after E, as C-E-A-S-E-R, Caesar, P-E-A-C-E, peace. You will watch here. C is pronounced, E is pronounced, S-E-R is pronounced, but A is not. The same is in the word peace. But remember, when the letters R or S comes after A, this rule wouldn't be followed. As for example, P-E-A-R-L, pearl, A is pronounced here. Later, we come on the letter B. It has two different rules. The first is, if the letter B comes after M, it is silent. As for example, C-O-M-B, comb, not comb. L-A-M-B, lamb, not lamb. But you will give attention here also. Those words will follow this rule which are of one syllable only. I mean to say that the word shouldn't be parted. As for example, you take the word combination, C-O-M-B-I-N-A-T-I-O-N. This word has two syllables. So B is pronounced here. Next, the second rule of it. When B comes before T, as D-E-B-T, dat, D-O-U-B-T, doubt. Now the letter D. It becomes silent when it comes before G, as B-U-D-G-E-T. Here D comes before G. Pronunciation is budget. E-D-G-E, is. In both of the words, D is silent. Next letter is K. If K comes before N, K is generally silent, as K-N-O-T, not, not. C-K-N-I-T, neat, not neat. Now you watch the letter L. If the letter L comes before the letters D, F, K and M, it is generally silent. As for example, C-O-U-L-D, good, not cold. C-A-L-F, calf, not calf. C-H-A-L-K, chalk, not chalk. And the same way, A-L-M-S, arms, not arms. Now your next letter is N. When it comes after M, when N comes after M, it is mostly silent. As for example, S-O-L-E-M-N, solemn, not Solomon. D-A-M-N, dam, not Dan. Okay. Next letter P. When this letter comes before N or S, then it often becomes silent to pronounce. As for example, P-N-E-U-M-O-N-I-A, pneumonia, not pneumonia. Pseudo, pseudo, not pseudo. After then, we will discuss the letter S. For the letter S, you will watch when this letter comes between I and L. It is almost silent. As for example, islet, islet, not islet. Another word, island. It will be pronounced island, not island. Mostly, many of persons pronounce it island, islet. That's wrong. After then, the letter comes T. What's the rule for this letter? If any word ends with ten or TCH, here T is silent, often silent here. As for example, SOFTEN, soften, not soften. LATCH, latch, not latch. Now we will discuss upon the letter W. This is the last letter we will discuss for. It has also two different rules. In the first rule, if the letter W comes before R, W is silent there. You watch in the example, the word is WRAP, wrap. W is not pronounced here. Second word, WRECK, rake. Again, W is not pronounced here. Another rule for it, if it comes after S, it is silent there. As for example, SWORD, sword, not sword. ANSWER, answer, not answer. In this way, most of commonly used silent letters I have discussed here with their rules, so that those who get difficulty to pronounce the words with silent letters would get the help to pronounce. If my this lesson would give a benefit to you, it will be a big pleasure for me. Thanks a lot.